When you look at the impact of cancer on a global basis, it's absolutely huge. It's a leading cause of death. The World Health Organization forecasts that cancer incidence will increase by 70% over the next 2 decades. It's something that either through friends, family, or personally impacts each of us. And SAP is leveraging our big data capabilities to fight cancer and drive better treatments and therapies for patients. When you look at what we've done at SAP with NCT, we're able to reach into a patient's record, use natural language processing, identify what the malignancy markers are, and then identify similar patients. And we're very proud to be co-innovating with many practices and hospitals already today, and beginning to move to a more precision medicine approach, which is now helping a group of oncologists to provide care.
One of the challenges that we faced for many, many years is that many doctors in many parts of the world have differing levels of access to various resources. Asco is the American Society of Clinical Oncology. This is the world's largest organization of professionals dedicated to the study and care of patients with cancer.
Right now, most of our learning comes out of clinical trials, and yet only about 3% of all patients in the United States go on clinical trials. And those are a highly selected minority. We don't really understand what happens in the real world, and more importantly, we are not using that 97% of the data that is out there.
To start to draw from the broad experience of many different hospitals, many different healthcare systems, to transform data into a unified and searchable learning database. What we need here at the Asco level is technical expertise to complement our scientific and medical expertise.
SAP is taking medical insights, a product focused on addressing health information, where and how it lives, and often in unstructured format. And so the challenge is, how do you pull out what really matters and then make a decision based on that? Increasingly, data is becoming very important to both understand, monitor, and treat malignancies. But a couple-second helical CT scan can generate tens of megabytes. Waveform monitoring and genomic data all leads to a veritable tsunami of information. And that data is largely sitting there untapped. And Asco is moving very aggressively with a learning system using medical insights, where every patient who comes through is informed by patients who've gone before them.
CancerLinQ is a way of learning from every patient's experience.
Information can be shared and aggregated at one site so that everybody can learn from it. Patients, families, nurses, physical therapists, pharmacists, the whole world can contribute.
Our expectation is that SAP will allow us to very quickly convert from a dream to reality, taking an unprecedented amount of data, seeing patterns faster than ever before.
Together, if we share our information and share our knowledge, we will get to where we want to be faster, which is a world free of the fear of cancer.
Using technology, automation, and data to really improve the efficiency of treatment. This is how SAP fights cancer.